Here's something fun to try on your iPad with your pupils. Why not clone yourself to make multiple versions of you in one photograph? Here's how. First up, we're going to open up the Snapseed app and then tap to import your first picture. I'm going to take all my pictures using the hands-free selfie video I posted a few weeks ago, and I'm going to make sure that I don't move my camera at any point, so the background will be the same. I'm going to choose my base picture, import it, and then press the pencil to add an adjustment. From here, I'm going to tap onto double exposure. In double exposure mode, I'm going to press Open Image, and then I'm going to select the second picture. This is of me in a different position, sat around that table. At this point, you might notice that the picture is kind of half transparent, and you can see both as ghostly images. That's not what I want. So go to Transparency and move it to 100%, so you can only see your new picture. From here, you're going to tap onto the Edit button at the top, and then you're going to go to View Edits. Then you can see the second layer with a double exposure on it. Tap on there, and then you can mask a shape around the area that you want to keep from that particular layer. So I'm going to carefully use my finger to mask out the shape around my person and my arm. And then, hopefully, when you press Done, you will see both images on the same page, side by side. Of course, I can repeat this process as many times as I like by tapping onto the Edit button and then double exposure and importing a new photo. I'll do it one last time so you get the idea. Make sure you put the transparency up to 100% so it's completely opaque on top of your original image. And then when you press Edit and View Edits, you can tap onto that second double exposure, and again you can press the masking tool to mask around the shape you want to keep. It really does create a really interesting effect, and it's very simple to do. And if you're wondering who won the Game of Monopoly deal, well, it was me, of course. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out, and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.